go down. How to use the arm control like an arm lock to keep from having to go down the ground. Arm straight, lock, keep it locked, don't bend it, keep it locked. Go right there, back up. So when I come around, I've got the pistol here, you're letting it bend right here. Don't bend it. I'm going to turn it this way against my shin. I got it
like a knife stroke.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna turn this.
How we come? Work out. The knee. Match him down. Put your shin on his face. There you go. It's good. She knows how to do it. If you think she's dangerous, it means she knows how to do it. It's called training. It's called talk.
I do it right, I
So, go one more time. Take Craig down one more time. I'm going to add a little spice to it for you.
Poor Craig.
Ready? Boom. Knee. There. This time, just hook the back of the head and push it down. Just be back and drive it straight line. Straight down. There. Now, you got the pistol right here, right? Here. And you put it down. It's a little arm lock, so just put your hand over. It's grab arc. It's grab arc 8 is what you're doing, but you're pushing that way. And grab arc 3. It's 8. It's 8. So it's 8. The person grabs, you roll that arm. It's an arm lock. So instead of bending the arm to get the weapon free, actually roll it over and put pressure on. And you're putting your body weight down on it.
You want to check the slide, make sure it's fully
Putting
in
that
there.
wrist apart and locking the elbow and the shoulder. Okay? See how I'm having y'all do it where you're down on the ground with them?
Yes.
That's because in the messiest sense of the word, worst case, if you can get his head pinned down with your shin, if you have to, you can top mount him or you can wrestle that pistol away from him. You should be thinking about how would I do this without having to go to the ground. So if I was a teacher in another school and everything went on up on the ground, you would want to be thinking, well, how would I shortcut the going to the ground part and just finish it standing?
Yes, sir.
So the way you finish it standing, put the weapon down there. So the way you finish this one standing is when the person pulls, you strike here. And then you roll this and you literally shatter the elbow by leaping up into it. So come this way. Bam. So I hit with both. Bam. Bam. I break the elbow. Okay? If he's still holding it from here, okay, then I sweep him with an elbow strike. Boom. Go lift. Okay? Now, to break the elbow, I come through this way and I hit it again. Bam. Okay? Up. So, not only did I not have to go down, okay, and so, pull it in, so that's the easiest way to disarm him without doing anything. Because now, once I'm done with that, I come after you. If he pulls, and I come this way, and I hit with this, and he goes down here, I can push him down right here and put my foot on the back of his head, and then just break it. Okay, that's another way to do it. The other way is to do this one, break it right there and take it away. All right? So, at black belt, you should be able to do the one I just did.
With the foot?
You
That's
know,
that one?
oh yeah, come on, Jay. At black belt, you should be able to just take them down and do the arm bar. Okay, second degree, you should be able to throw the kick in there with it. Third degree, you would be doing the taking it from standing. So she pulls, I strike. I come in and strike here. I push her down, right there. And all I'm doing here is I got it out here, and I just literally heel stomp the back of her neck. The fight's over right there. But I put pressure on it, pistol comes loose. Okay? Right. So, there's that one. The next one is I actually put pressure down on it, and I'm using an inside thumb lock and over the top thumb lock to take it away. It's good having rank, isn't it? So the next one from here is I can actually step across, real still. I put my foot here and I snap their shoulder around. There's a bunch of them you can do from there. So there's a whole bunch of just location and stuff you can do from that.
Can I try that one with the, rod?
Go, Rod.
Break down part.
No,
I just, man.
That's all right.
Thank you for this.
You good? Got it right at time. Painful. Go back. Yeah, that's the kick. Watch, you got this thumb right here. Right here. And you got this hand here. You're gonna push it down both of them. Okay. Go back. One last. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So you get some stubborn big guy that don't want to go down. So I got it down, right? Here. I want to step into it here. So I can put my weight in it. This way, if that doesn't work, I'll drop it down like this and pull it down. Other way to do it is to simply kick the front leg out. So once I got it like here, I'll literally kick that leg out.